We are here now at the Salu waterfall nearby Jeram, Perak. This is one of the smaller waterfall nearby the bigger Lata Kinjang, the more famous one. But what is quite nice about Salu is it's made up of a series of shorter cascades. It's not so crowded and it's more natural here. You can see a lot of nature. The waterfall is cascading past some big boulders and with lots of tree growing around it. So it's quite nice. Reminds me of Angkor Wat. So let's go and have a look at the Lata Salu or Salu waterfall. What is quite nice also is relatively very clean here, and they've made a wonderful concrete pathway to make it easier for people to come explore. So there's a lot of different areas. You can actually have a dip in some of it. If not, you can go towards the top where there's a bigger cascade. Really peaceful here. One of the best hidden gems in this area around carpark, Perak. Look at that. Small little gem, hidden gem. Let's go on up to the bigger waterfall. We are here now at one of the larger cascades of the Salu waterfall. It's quite nice. There's a little gazebo and the pool here is quite shallow, so it's quite safe for the kids. Really nice here.